We're here at Jasper Place High School in one of the science labs, looking at students as they're demonstrating the learning they've done through some projects they've been working on. The school received a grant from APEGA, and we used that to purchase most of the equipment that we're using here. And the kids basically decided what they wanted to work on, and they came to me with a list of projects and ideas, and we vetted them and then contacted APEGA, and they approved the project, and we purchased the materials afterwards. APEGA is the Alberta Professional Engineering Geophysicists Association. $5,000 bought parts for a 3D printer the students have been working on, parts for a number of different projects, like a payload for a rocket that the students are working on building with MIT. They're building radio telescopes, some spectroscopes, astrophotography tracker. A lot of the projects they're working on, the students chose themselves. And they're working on science projects that we don't really have clear-cut solutions for. We don't know what kind of problems they're going to run into, and so there's a lot of process skills that they need to develop. How science works and how engineering works is not necessarily black and white. There's a technical problem that they encounter, and they need to find it. That's not something that they would normally encounter in a school class.
So we're building a rocket payload that's going to be sent up in a rocket with MIT. We're currently in contact with them. They provided us with this design for the payload, and we get to put in our own sensors and a camera and experience all of this data firsthand.
It's an MIT rocket, so MIT students, they're building a rocket and it's going to go into the upper atmosphere. Mr. Doctor knows someone from MIT, and we're collaborating with them.
We have a temperature and pressure sensor, so that'll be able to track the changes as it goes up into the atmosphere. Then a camera, which will shoot the entire thing for us to watch.
Okay, like a video camera?
Yeah, that's what this is right here. The actual lens will be coming through just this, the little opening right here. So I don't know, I just think it's awesome getting experience to do stuff like this and stuff that I hopefully think I could do as a career sometime in my life. So yeah, I think it's a great experience getting also
in like aeronautical engineering.
Exactly, yeah. Hopefully maybe building rockets someday. Yeah, so this has definitely been a really cool experience, and hopefully just kind of the start of getting experience in building stuff going into space.